Welcome back to SmartSpeak English. Today we're doing a deep dive into something lots of you ask about.
Yeah, the American accent. How to actually, sound more American when you speak.
Exactly. And getting comfortable with it, well, it can really boost your confidence, can it? Whether it's for work or maybe travel.
Oh, definitely. Or even just, feeling you sound a bit more natural in everyday chats.
So let's talk about this American accent. It's not really just one thing, is it? The U.S. is so big.
That's a great point. Yeah, it's vast. So when we talk about it today, we're mostly focusing on what's called General American.
General American, okay.
Yeah, think of it as like a neutral standard accent, the kind you often hear in broadcasting.
Okay. So like on the news, maybe
Yeah.
CNN or network TV shows.
Exactly that. CNN anchors, a lot of actors in Netflix dramas, even many YouTube tutorials. It's sort of designed for broad clarity.
Gotcha. So it's widely understood. Makes
Correct.
sense. Okay, so let's break it down. What are the key features? What makes it distinctive?
Well, the first big one is probably rhoticity. It just means Americans typically pronounce their R sounds pretty strongly, actually.
Right. So unlike some other English accents where car might sound like caw.
Exactly.
Yeah.
In General American, you get that clear car. You really emphasize the R.
That's a big difference. Let's get folks listening to try some words. How about better?
Good one. Better. Or water.
Water. And teacher. You can really feel that R sound in there.
You definitely should. It's fundamental.
Okay, fundamental R's. What else? What's another key characteristic?
Another really common one is the flap T. This happens when a T sound falls between two vowel sounds.
Right, and it changes the sound, doesn't it?
It does. It softens into something that sounds a lot like a quick, soft D.
So butter doesn't sound like butter, it's more like
Butter.
yeah,
Yeah. Or city becomes city.
city. And better sounds like better.
Precisely. It makes the speech flow much more smoothly. Some people call it a bit lazy sounding, but it's just efficient.
Efficient, I like that. So like in a sentence, I need a bottle of water. How would that sound?
It would naturally become, I need a bottle of water. See how those T's just flap?
Bottle of water, yeah, I hear it. It definitely creates a different rhythm. Okay, so beyond the individual sounds, what about like how Americans physically speak? Mouth shape, intonation.
Good question. Mouth shape does play a role. You'll often notice American English uses perhaps more rounded lip shapes for certain vowels.
Rounded lips.
Yeah, try saying go really around your lips. Up. That shape impacts quite a few sounds.
Okay, go. I see. And intonation, you mentioned rhythm.
Intonation is huge. It's like the music of the language, right? It carries emotion and meaning.
So how does that work in American English generally?
Well, typically for questions, especially yes-no questions, the pitch tends to rise at the end. Like, are you ready? See that lift?
Are you ready? Yeah.
But for most statements, the pitch usually falls at the end. I'm ready. Downward tone.
I'm ready. Okay, rise for questions, fall for statements. That gives it that characteristic flow.
Exactly. It stops it from sounding, flat or robotic.
Yeah.
Adds life to it.
These are great building blocks. So for someone listening now wanting to practice, what are some common phrases that really show these features?
Oh, yeah. Americans use a ton of contractions and reductions. It makes speech faster, more casual.
Like gonna and wanna.
Definitely. Try saying these. I got to go to the store. Not got to, but got
I
to.
gotta go to the store. Okay.
Or he didn't want to do it instead of want to.
He didn't want to do it.
And maybe, can you call me later? Could sometimes squish together a bit. Can you call me later?
Can you call me later? Wow. Yeah, they really blend together. Okay, so lots to practice there. If someone really wants to nail this, what are your top tips? What should they do?
Consistency is key, really. First, listen and imitate. A lot. Watch American TV shows. Comedies like Friends or Modern Family are good, or news clips. And don't just listen, mimic them.
Actively copy what you hear makes sense.
Second, record yourself. It can be awkward, but hearing yourself back and comparing it to native speakers is incredibly valuable. There are apps too, like ELSA Speak or SpeechLink, that can help analyze your pronunciation.
Using tech to help? Smart. What else?
Practice tongue twisters. They might seem silly, but they're great workouts for your mouth muscles. Like, better butter makes batter better. Try saying that fast.
Better butter makes batter better. Okay, tricky.
It is. Also, focus on stress patterns. Where you put the emphasis in a word, can change its meaning or just sound unnatural if it's wrong. Think about record the noun versus recording the verb.
Syllable stress. Important detail. One more tip.
Yeah, try shadowing. This is where you listen to someone speaking American English and you try to repeat what they're saying at the exact same time they're saying it, like you're their shadow.
So speaking along with them in real time.
Exactly. It helps you pick up the rhythm, the intonation, the linking, everything, really.
That sounds challenging but effective. It really is a process, isn't it? Learning an accent takes time.
It absolutely does. Be patient with yourself. Consistent practice, even just a little bit each day, will make a difference.
And it's not just about sounding different, right? It's about clear communication, feeling more confident when you speak.
Precisely. The end goal isn't necessarily to sound perfect or exactly like a native speaker from, say, Ohio. It's about being clear, being understood, and feeling confident in your ability to communicate effectively. That's the real win.
Well said. That's all the time we have for this deep dive. Thanks for tuning in to SmartSpeak English.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Keep practicing.
And if you found this helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.